October 28th, Saturday, Saints Simon and Jude, the Apostles' Feast. Prayer, a call to respond. Now, during those days, he went out to the mountain to pray. Today, the Church celebrates the feast of two apostles, Saints Simon and Jude. They have become the image of faithful personalities in and through their prayer, and they lived out their faithfulness in responding to their call as close associates of Jesus Christ. This feast stirs our hearts and minds to be detached and prompt in responding to the call of God. It also propels us to be bold and zealous in loving and following our Lord and Master Jesus Christ with undivided, just like these two apostles. They strengthen us to plunge into the uncertainty of life for the sake of following the Lord. The Gospel of the day sheds light on the importance of prayer in the life of Jesus. He spends quality time alone with the Father in prayer and draws strength before making a major decision in choosing the 12 apostles. Prayer becomes an important tool for Jesus' discernment. For Jesus, prayer becomes the source of strength in acquiring the knowledge of God. It enhances him to enable his 12 apostles to remain with him, learn, assimilate, and imbibe the true spirit of Jesus, and carry forward his mission in every circumstances, which is to do the will of God. Prayer and practice. Lord, give us the grace that we may be able to inculcate the desires to pray and make prayer a way of life. May this prayer make us attuned in responding to your promptings in all walks of our lives.